But if your little one loves Thomas and loves trains and is interested in getting started in the hobby, this is an excellent choice. Hi guys, this is Marlin here at Hearns Hobbies in Melbourne, and I just wanted to share with you guys the news of these new Thomas & Friend train sets that have just arrived. So these are made by Bachmann, and they are 00 gauge, and we'll have a closer look. Alright, so this is a train set that is designed specifically for somebody just starting in the hobby. As you can see, it's designed for ages 3 and up, and it's a conventional electric train set, much like its larger, more advanced siblings. But if your little one loves Thomas and loves trains and is interested in getting started in the hobby, this is an excellent choice. Another great aspect of this is that because it's an electric 00 train set, any other kind of 00 locomotives and rolling stock will work with the set. So as they grow older and take interest in other trains, a lot of this will still be relevant. Okay, so let's have a look on the back first, and we'll see what's included inside. So you get a Thomas, an Annie and a Clarabel carriage. You get an oval of track, or a circle of track, that makes up 91.5 centimeters, so just under a meter, and it's Bachmann Easy Track, which has a road bed built into it and snaps together and comes apart very easily. Your controller for speed control and direction, forward and reverse, and your power supply. And then of course you have your power cord that links the controller to the track, and that's all you need to get started. So we'll have a look inside. So the first component in the box, and it is sealed, so we'll leave it sealed, but you get your Thomas locomotive, and Annie and Clarabel. So they have their distinctive faces. The Thomas actually has a function where the eyes move as the train moves, which is really neat. And then these coupling systems are your standard British spec couplers, so they'll work with Hornby and Bachmann wagons outside of the Thomas range too, which is really cool. Alright, and the other additional pieces. Here's the track, enough to make a circle, just under a meter in diameter. Instructions, warranty information, and the wiring and plug that connects the controller to the track. Power supply, and then your controller. And that is basically everything you need to get started. And for a young person just getting started in the hobby, it's a really, really great choice. All right, and that's a close look at the Thomas & Friends Thomas and Annie and Clarabel train set. Like I said, it's a wonderful choice for somebody just getting started in the hobby who loves Thomas and loves trains. And at the moment, we also have a big restock of Thomas & Friends locomotives and carriages all across the range in the series. So yeah, something to look for. Thanks guys, have a great day.